in Himachal, the GSDP contribution of the tourism sector is around 7%, and that amounts to around rupees 13,000 crore rupees. It's a big investment. It is a big revenue, and lakhs of people they are directly or indirectly linked with the tourism sector, be it guides, porters, even the taxi operators, tour and travels, the various tourism adventure sports or this kind of fields which are directly or indirectly attached to the tourism sector, even the hotels, restaurants, and other sectors. uh, as far as my information is, every fifth person in Himachal is directly or indirectly concerned with or is linked with the tourism sector. So when we have a pandemic time and there is a huge job loss, there is no even no help from the government sector, or even there are no endeavors from the government sector to push the activities in tourism sector. And that's how we are seeing even people at the lower level and even at the highest level, they are at the receiving end in this time. So I want to say that in this time the government must come forward, must help the people who are doing a commendable job in the tourism sector. There are many things which need to be done, especially in the coming budget. They can promote the activities by pushing some more budgets, and even the organization which are doing a very good job at their own level, the organizations such as the travel trail or many other organizations even which are even working in the private sector. The government sector has to be boosted, but at the same time the private sector is also doing a commendable job in the tourism sectors. So I want to say that the government must come forward, must give some funds, must help the people, must make every endeavor to uh, to uplift the tourism sector. Why? Because in India, although Himachal is not one of the leading tourism industry, there are other places like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, or many other places. But the Kerala, Himachal, and Jammu Kashmir, here the contribution of GSDP, the contribution of the tourism sector in GSDP is very large. So I want to say this thing that there must be some efforts from the government side. They must do some serious homework on this thing. And as far as Himachal is concerned, if we are reluctant and if we do not foresee the situation of the tourism sector, then we can easily imagine that in the coming times there won't be any more job opportunities, and even there will be many challenges which the government will not be able to handle. And that's how I want to say in the end that it is the government which needs to come forward, which needs to put some serious effort, which needs to put some resources, which needs to do some work on the skillfulness, which needs to push each and everything which can be possible to boost the tourism sector.